Guys, Stephen Hamby here again with Pro PDR of Georgia, and today we are inside a parking deck, so the lighting is not the best, but it's a pretty nasty dent on an Audi S4. It is in the lower part of the driver door across a body line. It was so bad it actually cracked the paint down in the lower edge, which will just require some touch-up paint after the dent is removed.
So this is a fairly complex dent. It has high spots around it, has a really deep center across a body line. So the first thing we're doing is blending down the high spots and pulling the majority of the dent out via glue pulling. It was also very cold outside, so we've got our heat gun close by, keeping the panel nice and warm to prevent from cracking the paint during the process. So at this point in the repair, we've already got the bulk of the dent out, but there's still a fair amount of work that needs to be done to get this panel fully repaired. So we're inside the panel now with our rods and picks, and we're basically shaping that metal back out now using the light as a reflection. We're pulling up the tiny little lows, tapping down the high spots, molding that panel back to its original shape so that there'll be no evidence that there was ever any damage to this door.
Alright guys, we're finished. We wrapped this thing up. It was a pretty challenging repair. The bottom edge of the door was distorted, but all in all, with that considered, I think the repair turned out really well. I think the customer's going to be really happy. I'll take you over and show you how it looks, and we'll wrap this thing up.
So panning across the panel, you can see how great this repair turned out. The body line is back where it should be. There's no waves or ripples in the panel. I mean, it just looks absolutely amazing. With the exception of that tiny little crack down there at the bottom, which the customer is going to touch up afterwards, this is just a flawless repair. It's definitely better than getting Bondo put in the panel and having the whole door repainted for this damage. Okay guys, I appreciate you taking the time to check us out. If you'd like to get in touch with us, you can reach us at 678-544-3004. Shoot us an email at propdrofga@gmail.com, or you can find us online at dentrepairgeorgia.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We have tons of cool videos on there. We'll put a link on the left-hand side to do that. And we'll also put a link to our website in the description below. Click on that and it'll take you right to it. All right guys, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.